Ever felt like life is slipping through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to hold on? Like a game that's being played around you, sometimes working in your favor, and other times, leaving you wondering what just happened. What if I told you, you are the one writing the rules of this game? Today, you're not just a player in the game of life. You're the creator. Every experience, every encounter is a reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. Most people live as if they're at the mercy of fate, chained by what life throws their way. But what if the real game is mental and spiritual, not physical? What if the key to unlocking your life lies in changing how you see yourself and your reality? You hold the power. And in this video, I'm going to share 5 transformative rules that will unlock this power within you. These rules will let you reshape your world, transcend limits, and live life on your terms. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Reality goes beyond the physical world. Reality extends far beyond what you can touch, see, or hear. Many of us are taught that the path to success is solely through hard work, planning, and relentless action. But here's the secret. Reality is shaped not just by what we do, but by what we believe. True mastery of life is rooted in the mental and the spiritual. It's your inner world that drives the experiences you encounter in the outer world. Think about this. Have you ever chased a goal so intensely that it felt like it was slipping further away, no matter how hard you tried? Perhaps it was a job you wanted, a relationship you craved, or a dream you poured your heart into. Meanwhile, others seem to reach similar goals almost effortlessly. What separates these two paths? The difference often lies in understanding that when your mind and spirit are aligned with what you want, the actions to achieve it naturally fall into place. Those who master life don't battle against it. They learn to synchronize with it. Imagine this principle like a river. Swimming against the current exhausts you, whereas flowing with it allows you to move effortlessly. Your beliefs, emotions, and mindset are that current. When you focus on aligning your inner world first, you transform your external reality in ways more profound than any single action ever could. The journey to success isn't just about what's outside. It begins with the state of your mind and spirit. Rule 2. You set the rules of your reality. Every belief you hold, every story you tell yourself shapes the landscape of your life. Imagine your mind as the master architect, crafting the structure of your reality through the beliefs you choose to accept. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about deciding what beliefs are worthy of shaping your life. If you believe you're held back by circumstances or limits placed by others, those limits will indeed define your experience. But if you believe in the potential within you, you start unlocking possibilities. The world doesn't respond to what is true. It responds to what you believe is true. Reality becomes a reflection of the laws you set for yourself, the boundaries you choose to recognize or dissolve. Remember this. Men are not disturbed by things, but by the views they take of them. The universe does not place restrictions on you. You do. If you tell yourself, I'm not capable, I'm unworthy, I'm bound by this or that, these beliefs act like invisible walls that keep you confined. Yet, when you consciously craft beliefs that empower you, you begin to rewrite the rules of your life. Ask yourself, does this belief serve my highest purpose? Does it move me toward my desired reality or hold me back? By choosing beliefs that uplift you, you don't just set rules. You set the foundation of a life built on limitless possibilities. Rule 3. Release the need and embrace the state of having. Rule 3 is paradoxical but powerful. You can't truly have what you need. This may sound strange, but here's the truth. The more you feel desperate for something, the more you push it away. Need creates a sense of lack, and that lack forms a barrier between you and your desired outcome. Imagine you're trying to catch water in a clenched fist. The tighter you squeeze, the more it slips through. That's how it is with need. When you chase something with desperation, whether it's love, success, or even happiness, your focus on the lack becomes your reality. To truly manifest your desires, shift from a mindset of needing to one of having. Imagine how you would feel if you already had what you desire. The peace, joy, confidence. Start embodying those feelings now by embracing the emotions of already having what you want. You shorten the gap between you and your goals. The universe responds not to the words you say, but to the energy you emit. Shift from a place of need to a place of knowing, of confident expectation, and watch as what you seek flows into your life more easily. It's as if you've already written the end of your story. Rule 4. The strongest frequency. Win Rule 4. In the game of reality, the strongest frequency wins. Think of every thought, belief, and emotion as carrying a vibration, a frequency that reaches out and shapes the world around you. It's not just about how much you want something. It's about the strength and consistency of the frequency you hold. Have you ever known with total certainty that something would happen? That confidence, that unwavering belief, is a powerful frequency that commands reality to align with it. Success isn't about having the most effort or desire. It's about holding a belief so strong that it becomes part of you, influencing your every action and thought. Align your inner frequency with the reality you wish to create. When you resonate with abundance, joy, or success, your world mirrors those qualities. But when doubt or fear creeps in, it weakens your frequency, and what you desire begins to slip away. Consistency is the key. Your frequency must be unshakable, regardless of what happens around you. When you hold a clear, strong inner frequency aligned with your desires, reality has no choice but to reflect it back to you. Rule 5. Reality doesn't care about nice. Often, we believe that if we're kind, hardworking, or moral, we deserve good things to happen. But the universe doesn't operate on human ideas of fairness. It follows the energy and intentions you hold. Think about it. People who are unapologetic about their desires often get what they want, not because they're better or nicer, but because they hold a strong belief in their right to succeed. Meanwhile, kind, well-meaning people sometimes struggle because they doubt themselves or feel bound by social expectations. This doesn't mean kindness isn't valuable. It means that for manifesting your reality, you must focus more on the inner strength of your vision and your belief in your worthiness. Lao Tzu observed that nature doesn't take sides. It simply is. Life doesn't reward you for being good. It responds to the energy of your self-belief and your conviction. Shift your focus from pleasing others or being nice to aligning your inner world with your goals. Strengthen your self-belief. Project that energy, and reality will reflect it back to you. Conclusion: embrace your power and master the game. As we bring this all together, remember that each of these rules is a key to unlocking your power. Reality is an inner game. When you understand that the world around you is a mirror of your beliefs, thoughts, and the frequency you hold, you start to see your life transform. These 5 principles aren't just guidelines. They're stepping stones to a life where you, the creator, call the shots. This journey isn't about outplaying others. It's about mastering yourself. By embracing these rules, you step fully into the role of architect, shaping your reality with intention and clarity. The world will respond when you hold a vision so strong, a belief so unshakable, that reality has no choice but to align. Outsmart the game of reality by mastering your mind, your beliefs, and your frequency. Now, go out there and create the life that's waiting for you.